What you see is the flight, the systems, the technology. But what you don't see is us. We're in the layers you can't see, the fluids that cool your systems, the kits that keep you stocked, the knowledge that finds what others miss. We're not just products. We're proactive supply strategy, stability, simplicity, speed. We also operate an ISO 8 certified clean room, enabling precision, compliance, and confidence for customers who require absolute control over sensitive materials. And with exclusive technologies like Aero-Wipes and FK-engineered fluids, we offer innovation our competitors simply can't. With operations across the US, Europe, and Asia, we're not just in your system, we're in your process. When a customer is stuck, tight timeline, tough spec, no easy answer, we step in. Not just to supply, but to solve. We move like a partner, not a PO number. Always looking around the corner, before the stockout, before the delay. We're not just part of what goes into the system. We're the people, the precision, and the process that keep it running. We're what's behind the performance. FirstKem. Trusted where it matters, visible or not. Join the movement. Discover the breakthroughs. Shape the skies of tomorrow.